Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we'll be making a wake up using braiding hair, and then my braiding hair is already prepared. If you want to see a video of how I do it, comment below. So this wake up can be made using the crochet method. I tried that one. If you want to see that one too, comment and let me upload it. So I decided to prepare hair bundles using braiding hair so that I see how it turns out. So this method is simply a way to get your braiding hair into bundles so that working will be easy. I try my best not to talk too much so that you pay attention to every detail. I'm going to be doing this for a while so that you just know how it's done. It's not difficult. It is not difficult. So if you'd want to try, you would see how easy this process is. Okay, so we are almost done with our first bundle. We are just trimming off excess hair or any hair that would not be needed, and just combing out the hair. So just going to cut both ends of the thread and tie them just to secure the hair. So I want to thank all my subscribers, especially my returning subscribers, for the love, for the support you guys have showed me, and I'm grateful. And if you are new here, this is my channel. My name is I do everything here. I talk, I do story times and a whole lot of good stuff right here on my channel. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload you will get notified. So yeah, this is one bundle of hair, and this part is optional. You could use an iron or a straightener. Make sure it's on low heat so that you do not melt the hair. Mind you, this hair is synthetic. Okay, so right now I'm just putting the hair into very hot water, like boiling water, and then there's conditioner in here, there's oil in here. So yes, you just put something inside. So I've done quite a lot. I'm just installing the hair bundles. So after putting it in the water, make sure it's dried. Do not comb it until it's dried. So when it's dried, you just comb it out and start your installation. So if you want to see how this particular part is done, let me know so that I do a video on it, because it's not easy. It's not difficult. It's not difficult at all. So I'll just fast forward this part. Yes, and then I'll come back. So I also went ahead to do the closure of camera. So if you want to see how I made the closure, I have a video of it. So I'll link it in the description box so that you check it out how I did the closure. So you go and check it out and then learn something. So here my wake up is ready. It's looking beautiful, you guys. This is so nice. This is how it turned out. Very beautiful. As you can see, very long, lengthy. So it's not difficult. Try, do it. We make mistakes, but still we move. This turned out so well. I loved it. And then this is just before I dipped the whole unit into hot water just to, re relay it. Okay, so this is after I've dipped it in hot water. It's looking shiny, all ready to be rocked. And so this is the final look. um this this tutorial needs time. You do not rush it. Thanks for watching. Bye.